in the series of learning operator. I have explained arithmetical operator. Those who are not aware about, just go through previous video which I have given of arithmetical operator. Watch it very carefully. Now we will going to learn about relational operator. Relational operator. What is relational operator? Relational operator used to compare two operands. Yes, student. Relational operator are used in form of comparison, or you can say that relational operator makes condition. What is condition? If after this video I will make a video of conditional operator, then I will explain very clearly what is condition. But relational operator used in form of condition, it is used to compare two values, and I am with strong belief you all are knowing all the symbols of relational operator. Yes, there are 6 operators. First, you all very know greater than, less than, equal to. Here I will stop. It is not equal to. Yes, student, it is not equal to symbol in the programming. Equal to is this one. Equal. It makes equal to. It is equal to symbol. In math, if you have to write greater than equal to, you used to write greater than or equal to. But this symbol is not easy to type with keyboard. So symbol is greater than or equal to like that. Less than or equal to, like that. Not equal. In math we use like that, but this one is not available on keyboard. Any symbol is not look like that. So not equal to symbol, the exclamation sign, it is treated as a not, and this one is equal. Yes, student, this 6 one, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. This one is greater than, less than, equal to, greater than equal to, less than equal to, and this one is not equal to. How it is used in programming? Student, I have said relational operator used in form of condition. When you will learn conditional statement, which is very useful, important chapter, then I will explain it very deeply. But here, suppose you have two values, a equal 5, b equal 3. If you are going to find key, I am going to write with different color of marker, so it become very easy to read. A greater than b. A greater than b means what? A greater than b means what? Value of a, which is 5. Value of b, which is 3. 5 is greater than 3. You will not give any reason. You will say true or false. Yes, student. So the statement which give true or false as a result comes under relational expression. Yes, student. So a greater than b, based on this value you will say true. If someone is writing a less than b, so based on this value 5 less than 3, no, you will say false. So result of this calculation is false. Again, if anyone say a equal to b, student, I have said this is not equal to, it means is another. In next video I will explain what is this symbol. So here you have to put one another equal to sign. Now it become a equal b. A equal b, based on this value, a is 5, b is 3. A is equal to b. Definitely you will say false. Here a greater than or equal to b. A is what? 5. So 5 is greater than b. Yes. So it becomes true. Again, a less than or equal to b. So a is 5 less than b. False. So this result is false. Again, a not equal to b. Yes. If you will find A is 5, B is 3, and 5 is not equal to 3. So this is going to give you true as a result. Student, if you are not getting how true or false is coming, don't worry. Here only we require the symbol, because we are having confusion here. This one is equal symbol, which we are having small wrong information. Less than or equal to, this is again wrong statement. Less than or equal to or greater than and equal to, these two is always written like that, which is wrong, and not equal always written like that, which is wrong. So student, you have learned 4 new points. Equal to is this, greater than or equal to, instead of this you will write that symbol. Instead of writing less than equal to, you have to write, you should write this one, and instead of writing not equal, you should write like that. So student, I hope it is very clear. If you are not getting this answer, don't worry, you have to know the symbol only. And student, I hope this video have given you some little bit information, and it is my strong belief that when you will going through 2 or 3 times this video, it will very easy. And please subscribe my channel. I deserve it. Student, stay healthy, stay safe. Thank you.